welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look inspired by Nicki Minaj Regret in Your Tears video. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys about this app that I have on my phone. So I've been talking to Best Fiends about this game that I used to play. If you guys watch some of my old videos, you know that I used to play this game. So I decided to reach out to Best Fiends and I wanted to get you guys some cute little discounts and stuff like that. Just here's some background information on Best Fiends if you guys don't know. Basically, Best Fiends is a free puzzle adventure game where you basically take some cute little fiends and take some objects and match them together to get rid of the slugs. You kind of like defeat the slugs. The great part about it is that this February you can play the Valentine's Day challenge to win a massive prize, and there's also going to be a new character who is Rose the Orchid Mantis. And also another great thing is that you can play without Wi-Fi. I love that feature, the fact that I could play a game and keep me busy if I'm on the phone or something like that. You guys can download this game for free, and also you can get $5 worth of gold and diamond on the game for free today if you click the link in the bio. Best Fiends will grant you that wish on behalf of me. I really do appreciate Best Fiends for allowing me to tell you guys about, you know, the new upcoming stuff that they have going on, because I really do love this game. Nicki Minaj Regret in Your Tears video. She did not have this exact makeup look, but this is something that I kind of seen when I looked at the video. That's where inspired comes from. I'm not trying to look like her. I'm not trying to create the exact look. I'm trying to kind of like get my take on it. So this is kind of like what I seen when I looked at the video and at her makeup. When she was in the water, she had like the headband thing on. I think it was like from Aldo, and I just thought it went perfect. She had on a choker at one point, but it wasn't this big. And I know she just had on some like golden green kind of eyeshadow, so I took that and then did like a smoky hollow look. Of course I had to do the nude lip. I was gonna use the Nicki collection by MAC lipstick, but it's so pink that I feel like it didn't go with the makeup look because it's just such a nude goldy look, and I just didn't want to ruin it. As you can see, this is pink, and I don't know, I think it would have just threw it off. I always wanted to create a Nicki Minaj inspired makeup tutorial, but Nicki Minaj really does like simple makeup, so she doesn't really like to do a lot of eyeshadow unless it's like back in the day when like Stupid Hoe and those type of videos were out, when she was doing that. But now she does a lot of simple makeup. She loves the wing eyeliner, and she doesn't put any eyeliner at the bottom. She just loves like a thick wing eyeliner and like, you know, baby pink lips and natural soft skin makeup. So I just decided to take Regret in Your Tears and to do that makeup because it is super wearable as well. And let's get into the video. Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Yeah. Until the very last hour, we still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control
over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So that was my take on the Regretting Your Tears music video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you see a picture of this makeup posted on my Instagram, I want you guys to tag Nicki, at her, whatever, and let her know that there is a tutorial for Regretting Your Tears. And thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Bye.